There's a pretty simple secret to building wealth that a lot of people they overlook it. And it all boils down to one very simple question.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Would you rather have $1,000 right here, right now, or the exact same $1,000, but you have to wait a whole year to get it?
I'm guessing you said today, right? And yeah, you're absolutely right. But the real magic, the secret sauce, is in understanding why that's the correct answer. That's the key to how wealth really grows.
So there's actually a name for this whole idea. It's called the time value of money. And really, it's just a fancy way of saying that the cash you have today is worth more than the same amount of cash in the future. Why? Because today's money has this incredible potential to get to work and start earning more money for you.
But here's where it gets really exciting. That earning potential gets a massive boost. It gets supercharged by a force so powerful, some have even called it the eighth wonder of the world, and that is compounding. The best way to think about it is like a tiny snowball at the top of a really long hill. As it starts rolling, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger, faster and faster. That's exactly what compounding does. You're not just earning money on your first investment, you start earning money on the money you've already made. It's literally your interest earning its own interest.
So how does this work in the real world? Let's use some easy numbers. Say you invest $1,000 with a 10% annual return. Okay, after year one, you've got $1,100. Simple enough. But check this out. In year two, you earn 10% on that new total, on the full $1,100. So you make $110, not just $100. You see that? That little extra $10, that's the spark. That is where the magic really kicks in.
And this is where it gets truly powerful. Let's zoom out and look at the long-term picture. That same $1,000 grows to almost $2,600 in 10 years and over $6,700 in 20 years. Look at that. It's not a straight line, is it? It's a curve that just gets steeper and steeper. That, right there, is compounding in action.
So after all of that, you might be asking, okay, what's the one thing I really need to remember from all this? Well, the most crucial point is this. Time is your money's single greatest ally. It's your best friend. The more time you give your money to grow, the harder it works for you and the more powerful that compounding effect becomes. So what does that mean for you? It means your single most powerful move, the one thing you can do to harness this power, is simply to start. Start as early as you possibly can. Because when it comes to building wealth, time is